Introducing the A Good Decision Waste Warrior How-To Guide. Start by attaching your handle to the Waste Warrior clip. Insert the handle into position and tighten using the built-in screw mechanism. This ensures a secure and stable connection before you begin. Next, release the claw. Unscrew the large grip in an anti-clockwise motion. This opens the claw, ready for the mop refill to be inserted. Now insert the mop head refill. Make sure it is positioned correctly within the open claw. Once the mop head is inserted, screw the large grip in a clockwise motion to close the claw and secure the mop head firmly. Mop following the correct socket mop protocol. To replace the refill, unscrew the claw and dispose of the old refill. Thank you for making a good decision. Together, we are eliminating single-use plastic and reducing our carbon emissions.